Before loud language, I said the story of Songkran. Now, I would like to give a little introduction about festival in English. Bun Songkran, the Lao New Year, and Buddhist merit making. Bun Songkran is Lao New Year festival celebrated in mid-April. It is time for making merit, honoring elders, and celebrating with family. Rooted in Buddhist teaching, the festival reflects three principles such as gratitude, respect, and mindfulness อาจารย์อ่านไปหรอกฟังเอาเองเลยอาจารย์สรุปไว้ให้เนาะ Water plays a key role symbolizing purification and renewal. Pouring water on the Buddha statues, monks, and elder respiration, washing away past misdeeds, and embracing a fresh start. Aligning with the Buddhist concept of karma, the belief that good action lead to positive outcomes. Songkran also embodies the principle of generosity, thana หรือว่าการให้ทานเนาะ as a simple engage in acts of kindness such as giving alms to monks and helping those in need. The practice of paying respect to elders reflects to Buddha's value of humility and importance of recognizing the wisdom of others. While the festival is famous for its joyful water celebrations, its deeper essence lies in living mindfully, creating good karma, and fostering harmony, all of which are central to teaching of the Buddhas. Bun Songkran is not just a cultural celebration, but also a time to reflect on compassion, patience, and the impermanence of life, anicca, no? Embracing the new year with the pure heart and a peaceful mind. Thank you to everyone listening from start to finish. I'm still practicing my English and I'm not very confident speaking yet. But I really want to say this with all of you. I apologize if anything wasn't very clear, and I truly appreciate your time and attention. As I come to the end, I would like to wish everyone joy and happiness during this Songkran celebration, and a happy New Year. May you all have a wonderful and blessed time. Thank you so much.